everyone, welcome to Essay Factory. Today we will see an essay on mob lynching. So let's begin. Introduction. Mob lynching is a combination of two different words, mob and lynching. The term mob means crowd or mass, and lynching is an act of violence. The act of punishing, torturing, or killing a person by a group of people on base of rumors or presumption that the person has done wrong without the due process of law is called mob lynching. The provoked crowd itself becomes the court and punishes the person without referring to actual court of law. Increase in such cases leads to sense of insecurity among minor groups. In lynching, mob executes a presumed offender and administers justice without trial. Impact of mob lynching. In past few years, incidents of mob lynching have increased severely in the country. In year 2018, nearly 24 people were killed in mob lynching, whereas approximately 17 people have lost their lives in past 3 months. Maximum mob attacks have been observed on people who are suspected of cow killing, and most of them are Muslims. 86% of people killed as suspects since 2010 are Muslims. Slow investigation and judgments somewhere encourage such incidents. Mob lynching has become the new norm of the society. Causes of mob lynching. There are many different reasons which are responsible for mob lynching. Circulation of fake social media information is a prime cause. Misunderstanding between two communities on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, language, political affiliation, and ethnicity also leads to such inhuman act. The rising intolerance level and increased polarization are also issues to be concerned. Due to long and complicated justice procedure and ineffective police investigations, people are losing faith on system. Steps to be taken. No citizen has right to take law in hands nor to become law himself. Mob lynching is a practice of committing a crime to provide justice to a crime already committed. New law must be introduced to create fear in minds of people involved in such horrendous crime. Criminals involved in such activities must be ensured with strictest punishment and should not be provided any political support. Police must be allowed to take appropriate action according to the situation. Cyber laws against origin of fake rumors must be implemented. Conclusion. According to recent research, 40% of educated youth also do not test the truth of news and forward it. There is a need of wide awareness in this context. Addition of new Indian Penal Code is required. Compensation schemes for victims must be launched, and the amount of compensation must be recovered from people involved in crime. The existing differences in society must be resolved. So friends, if you liked this essay, just go and hit like button. Do comment in comment section and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.